Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can edit a picture in your Schoology course. And the reason for this is that it can make your course look more interesting, it can capture the attention of your students, and you can do kind of some fun things like add a quote of the day or add a quote of the week. So to do this, we are going to go to Google Drawings. And you can get to Google Drawings by going to a new tab and either going to Google Drive or typing in Google Drawings. Alrighty, so in order to start, first we are going to get the page setup to look vertical, and we're going to click on File, Page Setup, select the custom, and put in 3 by 7 inches. Okay, so that's going to make our banner vertical. Some of you may have used Google Classroom before and made a horizontal banner, 16 by 400, but this one is going to be vertical. Okay, and you can do 3 by 8 or 3 by 9 if you wanted to make it look longer as well. So the first thing I want to do is add a background. I'm going to go ahead and click on the shape tool. And remember that you have lines and shapes that you can use here, but I'm going to simply use a rectangle shape and then come around the whole area. I'm going to change the inside color to something eye-catching like yellow. And for my border, I'm going to keep the border black and just make the border a little bit thicker. Okay, so you can change the border thickness just like this. Right? Now the next thing that you can do is you can insert images and you can insert text. Right? So I'm going to put in a text box here, and this is where I want my text to show up, and I'm just going to call this Schoology for Beginners, but you can do anything that you want. You can title it the name of your course. You can also add a quote in here. You can make a reminder. Okay, so you can change your profile picture throughout the year, and this might be a good way to showcase reminders for important dates as well. Right? Remember that you can also go crazy with the fonts. I used Comic Sans here, but you can look for more curious fonts if you'd like. All right, now I already went into Bitmoji, so I'm going to go ahead and insert my Bitmoji image from my computer because I've already gone into my Bitmoji app and found a couple of cute Bitmojis. Not really sure which ones I want to use, but I could use this one or that one. I like this one, so we're going to choose that one and just say open. Alrighty, I'm going to center it, or not really center it, but place it on my vertical banner, and voila, I am done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on File, Download, and I'm going to download it as a PNG file, but I can also download it as a JPEG. Schoology will take both of them. Okay. And it's going to save on my computer. Now I'm going to go back into my course. I'm going to say Edit Picture. I'm going to attach my file. I'm going to find that downloaded image. Okay. And voila. I now have a very eye-catching vertical picture in my course. So when my kids come to this class, they're going to know, oh, I know who that is. And again, I might add a quote for the year, or I might decide to, create a new image that has an announcement on it to really have it stand out in my course. I also think it's a little bit more eye-catching. Kids know what course it's in. If you teach science, you can put science planets in here if you're teaching astronomy, and you can also put math symbols if you're teaching math. Okay, I think it's also helpful for younger kids, but I think older kids get a kick out of this as well. And that is how you add a banner to your Schoology course.